hoody.
Or that guy went into the store.
I don't know. Probably to go buy some smokes, but whatever, it's fine.
Yep.
Stop signs. God damn.
Look at this weirdo with a dog in his coat.
That's right.
Dog vlog! Cortez edition. That is hope. She good?
Yep. She's about as good as she's gonna be. Like I said, she's pretty content where she's not gonna move.
Okay. I would just hate to have a little dog fly out doing 60.
Yeah, we don't need that to happen.
Yeah. So. Little doggo good?
Yep. I just gotta hold her.
Okay. What scenic overlooks 2 miles?
It's that that quarry thing.
Oh,
That's all that is.
gotcha. She good?
Yep. Probably not the smartest idea.
It's not, I think we've had worse. Do you feel like her squirming around at all?
No, she hasn't moved.
Okay. Then I think you're okay. I was gonna say, I think we're almost there anyways.
Yeah.
Is your visor down?
Yeah.
You're right, it kind of gets annoying with contacts.
Yeah, it does.
Which is a shame because I really kind of like that.
Yep. It's not bad at slower speeds.
Huh?
It's not bad at slower speeds. Boy, this would have been a pain in the ass if we took the motorcycles, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I was gonna say, if that was the case, I probably would have made the commute home to go get the truck. We'd figure it out. Neither of us are injured, so like that's a win in itself. And we found the dog.
That's right. I think the hardest thing is like shifting. But she's in there pretty good, so I don't have to worry about her. She's huddled in there.
Okay. Steve, you're pregnant with a dog.
That's right. I'm gonna be a dad again.
Woo!
I've already got two girls and a boy.
Actually, I think that was mine.
But her?
Yeah.
I think so. You did find her. I just picked her up and took her home.
Got the eyes of a hawk and ears of a fox.
I have the eyes of a hawk and the ears of a fox. Oh.
The dwarf breathed so loud we could have shot him in the dark.
Phone wallet, keys. Okay, we're good.
Well, let's go do one more cool little ride.
Oh, this one might be a little hard with her in here.
I was gonna say, just cruise up, stay in like third gear. I was gonna say, I think I was in a third gear the whole time.
Yeah.
Or like second gear. Second gear's, yeah, third gear's a good gear.
I mean, she's pretty content where she's at. She's probably asleep. You know, it'd be really sweet as if they had there's nobody there.
That'd be really sweet.
And there's somebody there.
It's alright, I got cash if I need to.
Do you just want to pay for it?
Yeah, you know what? We might as well. We're here.
Yeah. That way, like, maybe you can convince her to, like, hey, would you do 2 for 10?
Or if it's the same lady. I would totally laugh.
Tell her we ran out of gas and we didn't make it up last night.
Same lady or different lady? Oh, that's a totally different lady.
No, I think it's the same lady.
Hi. Well, hello. We didn't make it up last time, so like he ran out of gas. So, but here's the what? Oh, we were just gonna go to the end of the road and come back. Okay, cool. We could do that.
What'd she say?
Thank you.
What'd she say?
She's like, all the sites are closed, so I'll just wave and have a good day.
Okay. I could do that.
All right. We got full gas. All right.
And a puppy.
Hey, look at that! Like a car paid for itself.
That's right. What'd she say, that like you can't actually go to the ruins?
Yeah, she said everything's closed, which I get. Like I told her we're just gonna go. We want to drive all the way back down and come all the way back.
That's right.
So, 23 miles of scenic riding.
That's right.
Should we let her out and do something?
Yep.
Here you go, go do something. It's a little prickly for you.
She's a dog.